it takes time.
It does take time.
But is everyone a candidate?
No, that's an amazing question. Not everyone is a candidate for Coolsculpting, unfortunately. If I have a patient that it has too much body fat, or maybe they don't have enough body fat, then I can't treat them. So I go back to my daughter's 2.5 years old. She has a little game at home where you put the circle in the circle and the square in the square. It's got to fit. It's got to fit properly.
But you said don't have enough body fat? You actually have people who come in who don't have enough, don't need this?
If they have a small area, remember it has to fit entirely in this cup. If I'm not making direct contact with that cooling plate, then they're not getting an effective treatment.
All right, now we have some before and after pictures. Now the first is a woman who had the procedure. So I want you to look at this and tell us how long the procedure took and how many visits here. I would guess we're looking at before left and after right.
Right, so the left photo is her before photo. What I did is treat her entire abdomen from top to bottom. This was actually with one Coolsculpting session that we were able to achieve that. So even though she has a little bit of fat remaining on the after photo, we're basically at a point where she's complete with treatment. So I would not treat her again with Coolsculpting.
Those are ladies. Now let's also be fair.
Yes.
Men are having this procedure done.
Yes.
Matter of fact, isn't it? And I read somewhere that actually the number of men having this done is increasing at a much faster rate.
We do about 25% male patients in our Coolsculpting practice.
And here you have before on the left, after on the right.
Yeah, so we treated his entire lower abdomen as well as his waist. So we were able to reduce him all around. He went down about 2 pant sizes.
Does age matter at all?
Age doesn't matter. You know, my oldest Coolsculpting patient is 87. So anybody is a...
God bless him or her. Good for them.
She did great. She wasn't a great candidate for surgery, so they sent her my way and I was able to treat her. This is also an amazing alternative for patients who cannot undergo surgery. For example, if they have certain medical conditions or they're taking certain medications, then Coolsculpting is an excellent alternative for them.